Hi, this is Meghana from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today's subject is software engineering and project management. In that topic, software requirement engineering over the federated environment in distributed software development process. Abstraction. In the recent past, the distributed software development process has become increasingly prevalent with the rapid evaluation of the software development process. This transformation would necessitate a robust framework for software requirements engineering to work in federated environments. Using to federated environment, multiple independent software entities would work together to develop softwares, often across organizations and geographical boards. The decentralized structure of federated architecture makes requirements, elicitation, analysis, specifications, validations, and administration are effective. Next, we'll see about introduction. The recent times software engineering has undergone a profound transformation, concurring requirements engineering, localizations, benchmarking, code translation, dependency evaluation, troubleshooting, and adoption of distributed software development. Distributed software development refers to the collaborative developments of software systems by geographically disappeared teams, often operating in different time zones and organizational structures. With the This approach addresses the challenge arising from having development teams spread out across distinct projects of the prototype, sometimes using diverse development process and having various stakeholder perspectives. The global model, the requirement prioritization of better prototype. Distributed software development in federated learning environment. Here we can see the software prototype. This is global, and compute component 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all local models. Next we'll see about distributed software development. Distributed software development has risen in a popularity in recent years as a result of globalization, remote work patterns, and the requirement for specialized experts from various geographical areas. Each software model was have a divergent requirement, and they have weighted accordingly based on their significance and the engineering technique required. The current study focuses on developing a global model that can efficiently develop a global model by integrated all the local models and normalizing the requirements significance across the models. In this, research questions analyzed across the study of listed below. Q1, RQ1, RQ2, RQ3. In this, we'll see RQ1. Can the simulations development of the components of the software prototype be feasible conquering ever changing software requirement? RQ2. The significance of the requirement would differ from component to component of software, and a undefined requirement weighted as to be assisted for optimized propositions of the requirements in the global mood. RQ3. The development time and cost of a global model in a federated learning environment are comparatively better than the conventional DSD models. Next, we'll see about assumptions. These There are certain assumptions made in the current study of easy of implementation and to be confine the study to engineering. The assumptions that are made in current study are listed below. Assumption 1, to requirements in the software are considered as a feature where each requirement is considered as a single feature. These feature as process to build a software prototype optimally. Next we'll see assumption 2, the features weighted as assessed using different features engineering techniques like stochastic granted, sorry I don't know that word, and anti-clone optimization where are used in the local modes. Next we'll see about literature review. There are considerable students on distributed software development technology as the DST would yield a more efficient, robust and scalable prototype in such much more cost effective and secure manner. This variety of locations also make it possible for continuous development process since team is different time zones can work on the project continuously, which can also significantly reduces the development time. These are some of the reasons of vendor acceptance of DSD model. The existing students in DSD or federated learning are discussed in the current sections of the manuscript. Next we'll see about material and methods. The current sections of manuscript script discusses in the data that is beginning considered in evaluation the model details of the implementation environment and pre-processing techniques are being discussed. Feature engineering plays a vital role in the current study. The software requirements of considering features of federated environment, which is demonstrated using the 2 case study discusses in the subsections of the current study. Next we'll see about case study. In a case study on e-commerce website, in this we'll see user creations, user authentication, product catalog, product review, shopping basket, order management, payment processing, customer support, innovative management. Image requirements, image representing the software requirements associated in e-commerce website. E-commerce platform has fundamentally transformed to relate industry revaluationing corporate operations and consumer shopping habits. The e-commerce website facilitates as in common with various online platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, as of now Meesho and all, where the customers are allowed to browse across the variety of items that are sold through the website, and they can add them to the shopping basket and buy them for the website. The users are recommended to log in various valid credential to the websites before they place an order, and they are given in feasibility to update their account information according the email, mobile number, address and delivery preferences. In the payment process, users can pay online using cards or wallet with avail themselves of the cash on delivery option. All these are considered in the development of e-commerce website along with the aforementioned FR and some of the NFRS also being considered of the development of robust prototype. the corresponding requirements of functionalities for e-commerce website. This is image representing a software requirement, same as last one. Next, learning management system. The learning management system is an application that is designed to automate the process of creating, delivering, and managing academic course at universities and training instructions institutions. It offers a centralized platform for a facility to post and organize course materials, monitor student progress, and evaluate performance. Next, we'll see conclusion of this topic. The current study of the federated learning based distributed software developed model proto-race to feasibility of implementations, the rapid prototyping of the aligned software development model, and the partial implementation thereof. The study in the evaluated across a range of functional and non-functional requirements for both the case studies on the e-commerce website and learning management system prototype and the performance for assigned using gloss measure like MSE, MAI, MAE and person correlation coefficient. The latency associated with processing the requirements over multiple interactions in evaluated in the current study. The model can be further evaluated by examining more features and divergent evaluation matrix. Thank you.